This video mainly introduces the collection and detection process of buccal swab samples of InCycle automatic nucleic acid analysis system. 1. Checking and preparation. Open the kit and check if the components are complete according to the instruction. Before conducting the test, mix the magnetic beads well by shaking them gently. Tear open the packaging bags of reagent to check appearance of lyophilized PCR reagent. Avoid using the moisture-absorbed reagents as shown in the picture. Next, ensure that the lyophilized PCR and PK reagents are positioned at the bottom of the tubes. If they are not, gently flick the tubes to settle the reagents at the bottom. 2. Inserting reagents. Align tube 1 with the reagent tube slot. Insert it into the corresponding position of the cartridge and place it as shown in the figure. If the upper and lower edges of tube 1 is flush, you can lift the reagent tube up with your fingers. The firmly fixed reagent tube indicates successful tube installation. Next, tear off the cartridge sealing film and insert the PK into the corresponding position. 3. Sampling and sample processing. Take a disposable swab and insert the head into the inner cheek of the cat on one side, rotating the handle 5 to 10 times before removing it. Mix the swab in the sample preservation solution by swirling it 10 to 15 times before removing it. Then take another swab and place it into the inner cheek of the cat on the other side, rotating the handle 5 to 10 times before removing it. Again, mix the swab in the sample preservation solution by swirling it 10 to 15 times. The mixture in the tube is the buccal swab sample. Note: the cat should be isolated and refrain from eating for at least half an hour before sampling. Once the disposable swabs have been mixed in the sample preservation solution, they cannot be reused for sampling. 4. Adding sample and testing. Take the mixed sample from the preservation solution tube up to 200 micron-liter mark. Then, carefully add the mixed sample drop by drop into the chamber of the centrifuge sample compartment. Finally, click the red exit button to exit the sample drawer. Place the cartridge in the analyzer in the order of left sample compartment, right PCR. Hold the buccal to the right, click the red exit button to enter the sample drawer, and click Test, followed by Next. Before testing, swipe the RFID card in the card swiping area on the side of the analyzer. When swiping the card, keep it stationary until the beep ends. After successfully enter the information, confirm the sample type and other basic details. Then follow the analyzer prompts and click the button in sequence to start the test and proceed accordingly. 5. Threshold adjustment and interpreting the results. After the test, please confirm the amplification curve before outputting the report. If you need to adjust the threshold, please refer to the threshold adjustment operation video. After confirming the results, click Alted OK. Subsequently, you can view and print the test report in the InHub software. Note: only approved results can be viewed and printed. 6. Cartridge handling. Click the red exit button to exit the sample drawer, and affix a seal sticker, yellow, to the surface of the cartridge. Then, put the buccal to the left to remove the cartridge. Used cartridge should be handled in accordance with the requirements of the local regulations of pollutant treatment processing. G-Links. Everything is for life.